Hello everyone, this is JEBO Outdoors and today I'm gonna take you for a hike. I was planning to do a smoky hike because of the wildfire smoke for a couple of days in US, but skies are blue and clear today and I'm happy for that. And I've seen too many crime on the internet about the smoky air lately, so we have nothing to cry about, guys, in US. Please remember that in Canada, Ontario, people lost their homes and being evacuated. So many animals died and so many dislocated, and plus the firefighters working around the clock to extinguish the fire. So we have nothing to complain about it. I was hoping to see some wildlife and get that little squirrel running around. I'll try to get closer. Ah, climbing the tree. There we go. Look at these mushrooms. They're color of reddish rust or the metal. Rusty metal, if you would. And there's a white one, not the white, yellowish, and these are just absolutely amazing. I have never ever seen these around. So if you guys know what kind of mushrooms these are, please let me know in comments. I'm gonna take a long hike today and hopefully I'm gonna see some wildlife around. Another squirrel in front of me trying to escape the camera or the paparazzi. Oh, there you go. He's a like jumper one right there. Hey, little jumper. It's a very old forest and look at these boulders. I mean, it's a little mountain, if you would. It's a hot summer day, not too bad, and I just got a bottle of water and that's it. A couple of batteries in my pockets, my car keys, and the wallet. And surprisingly, there is not a soul around here. Quite strange. Look at the tree stuck inside another tree. At least it's green around now. What a beautiful hill on the left, and there's another jumper. Squirrels are jumping in this forest. I've never seen that. I have few in my backyard, and they're jumping just like foxes chasing mice. So finally going downhill. Very beautiful around. So I'll show you. Looks like very old forest. Look at those trees. And some of them are about to fall down from that hill. It's pure beauty. I'd say too quiet. It's too quiet. Gotta watch my step. Might be snakes out in this area. Huge broken trees. Just whole area is full of broken trees. Really large ones, just only here. And there you go. Look at the lengths. Like after the hurricane. Well, what I want to do is go around this hill It's been around probably 4 miles now. I'm walking, and I want to take a different trail. There's nothing much I can see except for the squirrels and old plane in the air. And of course, lots of fallen trees. Just like this one here, around 30 feet long, even more. There's a dried out creek on the left, right here in this valley, and there's so many mosquitoes. They were not bothering me at all for the first 4 miles, and now they're just swarming, in this area. So I gotta try to go up the hill. So there's more air, and maybe I can catch a breeze even. Just wanna get around this hill, which is possible somewhere over that corner, I think. Oh, there's something in the grass. Can you hear it? Might be a lizard. I don't think it's a squirrel. And snakes doesn't run. I don't know if I can get close enough. Ran away. Too many runners today. And mosquitoes are eating me alive. Right there, sitting on the... Oh, there you go. Hey, hello, Chippy. I'll try to get close. Just to film you, maybe. There's another one at the other tree. So many in this area. I love chipmunks. They're very funny. Another chipmunk, and that's looks like that's gonna be my uphill trail to go back. And I'm not too tired, but still, look at this tree right on the trail. Let me see if I can catch. Oh, there is a chipmunk. Let's watch. Oh, running. There you go, beautiful one. Look at this tree, man. It's huge. I don't see a clear trail, so I'm gonna use a shortcut right here. I wanna go all the way down there, right there, and walk all the way around. So I'll just go straight. And that's the hill we're trying to go around. The ridge right there that goes all the way through this forest in the middle, separates like two paths. I don't think I should be climbing over the ridge here. Oh, that's the eagle, or the very biggest owl. Wow. I'm gonna try to film that big bird. And I'm just walking up the ridge right now. So let's see, maybe I can startle it and it will fly again. Provided that I get lucky. I think I lost it. Now the hard part, I gotta climb through this boulders and stones, and gotta be very careful. I'm not wearing hiking boots. Hopefully see some wildlife. Not the bears. Don't want to play with bears though. Oh, that's that bird right there. I don't know if I caught him. We're close. Let's see if I can get to that bird, man. Show you around. Standing. There's a long downfall right down there. Some trails. Might be the squirrel, might be something else. I don't know. Lots of birds. As I'm too noisy, you know. Plus, everything is covered with dry leaves around here. Even though in the shade, everything is bone dry. That's why wildfires happen when people don't care. People doesn't take care, extinguishes their fires fully, and just basic, safety measures. And when it starts, it's really hard to stop it. Looks like bones of large animals, and these are just the trees. Just let me show you from a closer look what I mean. And that one right there, and this bone dried tree over here. Just look at that. Doesn't it look like a fish bone? Yeah, I have that rare talent to see things in branches and in trees, so don't think I might be called crazy for that. It's just my personal thing to see and enjoy the nature. And I'm gonna show you another one, beautifully done by nature. Just should be far enough to see. Look at these branches on the bent on opposite directions. Looks like fountain to me. Another one sitting down here, just like that. Fish bones. Someone is in deep love and hiked all this way to express their love, and this thing right here looks like a key to his heart or her heart. I don't know. I mean, looks like a key to me though. But guys, that hurts the tree. So maybe you want to use a board or just carve on the stone. That's gonna be harmless. But don't carve with your knife or any sharp object on the tree. Tree can feel. I can see another summit right there, and there is this ridge or the continuation. So I want to hike up this little ridge and see what's going on around. The fact that I can still run means that I'm still in good shape, huh? This is the view what I have here. It's on my left and on my right. Look at this creek or the valley down there. Just want to show you what I see. We're going down the trail down there. Oh yes. Okay, all in all, it took me 1.5, 2 hours, and I'm almost down at the bottom. It's a very beautiful area. Trees are green. Not so much grass at some spots though, but yeah, just very nice and welcoming hike, trail, and the nature. Now watch this. The tree is completely broken and destroyed. I put my hand inside, just so hollow. But it still tries to leave. This is life, man. This is life, and look at this crack. It just absolutely destroyed. But it still tries to leave. That tree reminded me of survival situations where people give up too early, and those who strive and who struggle and get through it alive. Want to survive, you gotta have will to live. And this looks like end of trail to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this hike and the area and the nature and a couple of chipmunks, birds, and squirrels I showed you. Next time I'll try to get out early in the morning to see more wildlife. And now I just lost probably 5 pounds because it was really hot. Even though breeze has picked up just right now, and it's so delightful. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your subscriptions, for your likes, and for your comments. I'll see you next week. Bye.